In this section you will learn how to write the significance section.
Besides the objectives and the research questions, it is necessary to state the significance of the study by explaining the reasons why it is important. Most of the research works have a defined purpose and it should be strong enough to justify its realization. It is necessary to explain why is it convenient to proceed forward with the research, what results will be obtained from it, which are the benefits that will be obtained and what is the impact that the project will have. Every research is focused towards the solution of a problem, thus it is important to justify why it is important to carry out the research. Likewise, it is important to determine its viability and the group of people that will benefit from the research.
You will need to explain the proposed research significance, and locate it within the relevant literature. A convincing statement is required as to why your topic is worth scientific research, that is how it will contribute to and enrich the academic knowledge. This contribution results from your research activities, which are conducted to discover new information, as well as to expand and verify existing knowledge. You need to provide indication of how you feel your research can make an original contribution, how it may fill gaps in existing work and how it may extend understanding of particular topics in your particular subject area.
You should align the proposed research to the existing line of research in the academic program in which you are studying. As also mentioned, when we tackle a project with impact on health, cost, or environmental problems, they are more likely to be approved and funded since the project has significance for most people in Mexico.
In one of the examples mentioned earlier, the research proposal was about the use of renewable energies in dialysis. In this case, diabetes mellitus is one of the 3 most recurrent causes of death in Mexico. Is relevant to me? Yes, in my family there are some relatives with diabetes and in most Mexican families there is at least one person with diabetes. It is also difficult for a diabetes patient to go to a hospital. Once in a hospital there is always the risk of a hospital infection, so it will be very beneficial to have the dialysis at home. The problem with dialysis at home is the cost of the dialysis machine, so a renewable energy source would be very helpful for the family economy.
When doing a research, there is a theoretical justification when the aim of the study is to generate reflection and academic debate about the existing knowledge or to confront a theory or the results of a research. It is considered that a research has a practical justification when its development helps solve a problem or at least proposes strategies that will help in the resolution of it.
Pure research, its objective is to get results and experiences without having to solve a specific problem of a specific context or situation. It rather tries to expand knowledge, this is, it designs and proves theories, laws and hypotheses to create a foundation of knowledge to solve future problems. As the results from this activity cannot be protected or used, it is seldom found in the private sector, mainly it is found in universities or other research institutes.
Practical justification. Technological development is oriented to gain knowledge and foster capacities, which goal is the solution of practical problems by using different techniques. For this, it uses research done in pure sciences oriented towards its application in practical problems.
Now it's your turn.
Answer these questions. You are going to record yourself answering these questions. You are going to record the synthetic voice and your voice as if it were a conversation. You have from 30 to 40 seconds to answer. Give complete answers. Give reasons. Use all the time you need to answer. Don't stop speaking. The file type you submit to your teacher must be MP3. If you need more time, stop this video and record your answer, then resume this video and continue with your recording.
You are going to practice several times answering these questions. When you think you are ready, record yourself with the speech-to-text microphone in WhatsApp in your cell phone. If it shows the words that you are saying, then your pronunciation is correct. If not, check your pronunciation. Find a voice synthesis application so that you copy and paste what you are trying to say and listen to how the words are pronounced. Then try again until you pronounce correctly. When you are able to pronounce correctly, then record the questions and your answers using your cell phone and submit it to your teacher.
1. Escucha las preguntas primero. 2. Escribe tus respuestas. 3. Practica leyendo tus respuestas con tu celular en el modo de voz a texto para que verifiques que se escriben correctamente las palabras que dices. También puedes usar otro programa de reconocimiento de voz o de dictado. 4. Cuando pronuncies bien, graba la conversación. Si pronuncias mal, no envíes tu archivo hasta que lo hagas correctamente.
Explain what aspects should be included in the significance section of a research proposal. Explain the line of research of your academic program. How will you explain that your research work is going to fill in a knowledge gap? How will you align your research work to the line of research of your academic program? Give an example of how you would explain that your work is going to make an original contribution.
This is the end of the session. See you in our next Hands on the Writing a Research Proposal Flipped Classroom session.